What is up, lovely people? Candace B here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Welcome back to my subscribers and welcome to my new ones. How you guys doing today? I hope you're doing fantastic. I hope you're doing simply amazing today. So in today's video, I thought I might talk about a topic that I haven't really seen discussed too often. Someone did ask me a question actually about this the other day, and I was like, let me just maybe talk to you guys about it, get your opinion, you know, and share my opinion. And that basically is the topic of whether you should start demo trading or live trading as a beginner. You know, right off the bat, you get into Forex, whether you should start demo or live trading. Now, I know people might think, obviously, Candace, like, you know, demo trading makes more sense, but let's break things down. You know, let's break things down. Let's look at both sides, the pros and cons of each, and kind of get a better idea. And I hope that this can kind of be a resource for any new trader, any curious trader who might be questioning, you know, whether they should go live or demo, and when to go live or demo. So hopefully this is a resource for you. Now, for me personally, I started live trading right away, like day one. And it was a whirlwind, okay? I had no idea what I was doing, and if you guys have not done so already, please go ahead and watch that video of just me sharing that story time of just my first experience with Forex trading. It was a lot. Before I get into the video though, as a disclaimer, the information that I'll be mentioning in this video is purely 100% from my point of view, my opinion, my brain. So, you know, I want this video to be more of an engaging one. So I want you guys to share your opinions, you know, comment down below, give your opinions and your point of view on what you feel about demo trading versus live trading, especially when it comes to just starting off in Forex. So yeah, and then we can kind of have a discussion, a nice, friendly, positive, helpful discussion, especially for people who already know how to trade and may be watching this video. You never know who you can be helping in the comment section below in terms of new traders. So just keep that in mind, but take this information with a grain of salt. We just talking, right? Y'all are my friends. Like this video if you guys are my friends, because like, I feel like you guys are my friends, like my internet friends, right? So I'm pretty much just going to discuss the pros and cons of demo trading and live trading. So we'll just kind of go through it together. So for me, the first pro when it comes to demo trading is pretty self-explanatory. I'm sure you guys can agree. It's just the fact that you don't have to risk your own money. And that is a big thing. You know, not everyone has hundreds of thousands of dollars just sitting around for them just to, you know, put into a hobby or a passion. So the fact that demo trading is an option for individuals who are not ready to risk their own money, I feel like that is a really great thing. You know, not many things in terms of businesses allows you to get a demo run, you know what I mean? So the fact that when it comes to Forex specifically, because, you know, I don't know about options trading and all that type of stuff, when it comes to Forex, you can demo trade. That's pretty good. Yeah, just for the fact that you don't have to, you know, use your own money right off the bat if you're not comfortable. Another pro for using a demo account when you're just starting out is the fact that you can actually test as many strategies as you want. So you can essentially do whatever you want on a demo account. And, you know, if you're approaching the markets and you approach it with good habits at the beginning, you're like, okay, you know what? I want to make sure I have a strategy. My mentor, my great reputable mentor told me I need a strategy. So I'm going to, you know, figure that out and I'm going to test it and see the profitability of it, the consistency, how it works with my personality, how I like it, etc. I can just test all these things out. Let me do that on a demo account. So that is a big benefit of using a demo account to start out with, because again, like I said, you're not using your money, your own money, and now you get to just, you know, test as many strategies without that risk being involved. So having a strategy is extremely important, whether you're starting out with demo or live, to be honest. So, you know, it's important to have a strategy that works well with you. I know it may be very enticing to just start trading without a strategy and kind of learn as you go along, but it is in your best interest. And I feel like this is universal for any trader to have a strategy. So yeah, demo trading in that case to test out strategies is a really good idea. Another pro I would say when it comes to demo trading is that you can get familiar with the platforms. You can get familiar with MT4 or MT5 if you use that as well, but I feel like it's in your best interest to get familiar with a platform that you're gonna have to use every single day. You know, you have to know where the buy and sell option is. You have to know how to customize a chart so that your eyes understand what information it's perceiving, you know, stuff like that. So the fact that you can use a demo account, start with that and just play around with the platform itself, the MT4 interface, that's very helpful because then when you go live, you're already ready. You kind of know how to maneuver and this, that, and the third. You can kind of go through it very quickly and seamlessly without questioning what is what. So yeah, I feel like that is another pro. And one last pro that I can think of when it comes to just starting with a demo account is the fact that you can really see if trading Forex is really for you. Now, I don't know if people actually ask themselves this question. I know I did not ask myself this question at the beginning because for me, it was kind of like, ooh, I see money, I see numbers, I just want to make money. So I'm sure that majority of people start off like that too, but it's kind of hard to avoid the question when you notice that what you're doing is not working. You know, you're blowing money or whatever the case may be. So, you know, you can make as many mistakes on a demo account as you want. And then obviously, eventually the question will arise, is Forex trading even for me? At least if you figure out that no, it might not be for me, then at least you didn't waste your money. At least you didn't, you know, blow any accounts. So that could be, you know, a really big benefit of figuring that out. But yeah, I really think that's a question that a lot of people need to ask themselves as soon as possible. So I would say that is definitely a pro of using a demo account first, because if that question arises while you're trading demo, then at least you haven't, you know, wasted your money. So yeah. Now moving on to the possible cons of starting out with a demo account. I know that kind of sounds weird, like how are there cons to it? But let's try to talk it out and see if there are any cons. So for me personally, I feel like when you trade demo, and I know a lot of people will agree with me in this, is that you might not experience the same emotions. You know, you're trading with fake money or you're paper trading, you're not using real money. So automatically your emotions are not going to be the exact same unless you are someone who right away, or, you know, this is just who you are as a person. You just could not care less about money. Whether you're trading live or trading demo, it does not matter if you lose a trade or win a trade. You're very like indifferent about it. Most humans are not like that from the very beginning, especially when it comes to something like trading Forex. So yeah, I feel like that's definitely a con when it comes to trading demo, is that you won't get that full emotional experience. You know, you might get some false hope. Let's say you do very, very well with trading demo, and then you go live and it's completely different. It really does just come down to your psychology and emotions. And I feel like when it comes to demo trading, you might not be getting that full experience. So that's something to keep in mind for anyone who wants to start out with demo. Just don't be naive to think that you will experience the exact same emotions trading demo that you will when you're trading live. You know what I mean? So yeah, I would say another con with trading demo first is that you're not making the money, you're not making profits, you know? And that could be a deterrent for a lot of people. A lot of people just want to make money. I mean, why wouldn't you? But yeah, so obviously you're not making real money. Again, it's kind of like a facade. Let's say you start off with a $50,000 demo account and you're trading, you're making thousands of dollars a weekend. It's kind of like, I don't see this in my bank account, so like, you know, this is kind of whack. And I would say one more con about demo trading is the fact that you might develop bad habits and not realize it, because there are no real consequences to your bad habit. For example, let's just say that you don't feel the need to create a trading plan or have a trading strategy because you are winning trade after trade after trade while you're doing a demo account. You know, obviously, that's a bad habit. Everyone should have some sort of plan or blueprint or strategy that they use when they approach the market. So if you feel like you don't need one because based on your demo results, you're making money, there's no consequences to that at that point, you know? And even if, let's say you are winning in demo without a strategy or a plan, and then you start losing, you still might not feel the consequences. You probably might think, oh, well, at least it's demo, you know, at least it's not my real money. It is what it is. You know, so it's these bad habits that you might form, and it kind of gets very, very risky when you go live. But in the time being, when you are trading demo, you don't really care, really. These are the type of bad habits that are very, very hard to unlearn, and I'm speaking from experience. A lot of bad habits that I developed, you know, years ago that I didn't realize that I was developing took a long time for me to unlearn. So that is definitely a con, you know, the fact that your bad habits have no consequences when you are demo trading as opposed to live trading. So those were the main points that I wanted to share with you guys in terms of starting out with a demo account first as a beginner trader. Please comment down below and share your thoughts and your opinions. You know, do you have anything to add? Do you agree? Do you disagree with some of the points that I shared? Let me know in the comment section down below right now. Stop the video, comment down below, okay? And while you're down there, why don't you just subscribe? Of course. Just hit that red button. It's right there on the right side, I think. Yeah, it's on the right side. Just click it right there. Don't worry about it. Just click. It costs you nothing. But anyways, let us talk about some possible pros and cons of trading live when you just start Forex. You just start your Forex journey and you're like, you know what? I'm gonna do it right away. I'm gonna go live. So one pro about this, you know, starting live right away is the fact that you have the potential to make real money, real tangible money that you can withdraw and put in your bank account and spend. So obviously that sounds amazing because, you know, you skip the dilly-dallying, you skip all the foolishness, you don't have to worry about, you know, the fake money, the demo money. You are making money right away, okay? You are doing the damn thing. Hopefully, if you do make money and not lose it. But yeah. But low-key, I feel like that is the only pro of starting to trade live right away, is that you're making real money right away, or you potentially are. I don't know. Comment down below if you have any other, you know, pros of trading live, because I couldn't think of any more. And I'm talking about starting right away, like as a beginner, starting day one, like trading live. I couldn't think of any other pros, to be honest, of trading live. But now, of course, there are a few cons that we can discuss when it comes to starting off live trading from day one. And one of that would be the fact that you have to have enough capital to start. You know, you have to have that capital ready to deposit. And I know a lot of people definitely will have that ability, but a lot of people won't. More people won't, you know what I mean? And you know the saying, it takes money to make money? Yeah, it does. So, I mean, I know a lot of people might think, let me start with $100, $200. You can't expect to make a lot of money from that. You know, if you start off with $100, $200, because that's all you have, sure, no problem. There is no judgment at all. But please just don't expect to make $500 on your first day, because now if we're talking about, you know, $100,000, then, you know, making $500 on your first day will be a lot more likely, Even if you didn't know what you're doing, you press buy or sell, you still have a higher chance of making $500 on your first day than you would if you only had $100. So long story short, you know, having that sufficient amount of capital to deposit, that's what you need. And if you don't have that, then it can be considered a con, you know, because live trading, when you're trading live, that's what you need, the capital, right? Demo trading, you know, you can just choose any account that you want, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, 100,000, whatever. You just press a button and you have it, right? But unfortunately, imagine that was how life worked in real life. Like you just press a button and you just have $5,000 in your bank account. I wish, I wish. And of course, we must mention probably the most obvious con when it comes to trading live from day one, which is the fact that you can blow your account. You can blow all that money and it's gone real quick, real quick, okay? So yeah, that's a con of live trading, is that now you are, you know, using your real money, now you can blow your real money. So if you're not careful, if you don't plan, it is what it is. That money's gone. You know, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful in these streets. There is another con that comes with live trading that is actually similar to one of the cons that I mentioned when it comes to demo trading. And that is the fact that you can develop very bad habits that are hard to unlearn. Now, the difference is when it comes to demo trading, of course, you won't experience those consequences right away because it's just fake money. But with live trading, it's your real money now. So you are feeling those hits. You know, those bad habits are affecting you. So again, let's say that you don't have a trading plan, you don't have a strategy, you say, I don't need one right now. Give it to those real newbies, you know? Don't worry about me. I'm good, okay? I can trade. And you trade and you're winning. You're winning trades and you say, see guys, see, I'm a trader. I'm a real trader. So you're trading, you're making real money. You don't even need any plan because whatever you're doing, pressing buttons is working. And then one loss, that's all it takes. And I know a lot of people are watching this right now and are probably like, preach Sister Candace, because all it takes is one loss to obliterate your account, to mess up your account, for that bad habit to really be exposed, okay? You can be doing well, you can have all the bad habits you want, you can still be winning, and then it takes one loss because of that bad habit that you've created to just mess everything up. And you feel that. You feel the consequences right away. So that's basically what I'm saying, is that you will feel the consequences right away. But this is just food for thought, guys. This entire video is just, you know, encouraging us to have a dialogue, like I said. So stop the video right now, comment down below. What are your pros and cons to starting off with a live account first? Just right off the bat, no demo account, just live trading. Let me know how you feel about that. If you did it, if you didn't do it, if you were scared to, just let me know. You know, let's talk. That is pretty much all I have for you today, my lovely internet friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it started to raise some questions in your mind. But if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. I always appreciate it. I appreciate you guys for even stopping by to hang out with your girl, to talk to her, even though she's looking crazy. But like I said, comment down below, talk to your girl, let's have a dialogue, let's have a positive conversation, a healthy one. We love health. Health is wealth. And last but not least, do not forget to subscribe so you know when I post another video. And in the meantime, feel free to check out any of my other videos on this channel and my other channel, Candace B TV. You guys already know what to do. Click that link in the top right and subscribe to your girl, Candace B TV. Watch me act even crazier than I do on this channel. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a tremendous, remarkable, amazing, successful, beautiful day, week, and life. Bye.